Hey guys, uh, once again, welcome back to my another video of practicing English speaking. So yesterday, while I returned back from university, I passed through Karbi market. So from there, I bought something. So in this video, I want to show what things that I bought from Karbi market. So here it is. So this is the Roselle leaf which I bought for 10 rupees, and this is the lady finger which I bought for 20 rupees, and this is sesame powder which I bought for 20 rupees, and this is the banana flower or how that means I'm not sure how to say for this, but for the time being we just assume this as a banana flower. Okay, if it have another name, then please you just say the name in the comment section. So this banana flower I bought for 20 rupees, this one. And the interesting thing is that it consists of 3 banana flower, and this banana flower I'm going to cook along with potato and tomato. I like it very much, this one. You guys like it or not, I don't know. And I saw from internet that most of the people used to cook this banana flower just by boil. I don't know how the taste is, that means by boiling. I don't know. I just want to try with boil also. So that's all for today video. Bye bye.